If you've ever felt a craving so powerful it felt like it had a voice of its own, you weren't imagining it. There's a real biology behind that, and there is a real reason why naltrexone works at that exact level. Opioids work by binding to specific receptors in the brain, the ones responsible for pleasure, pain relief, and reward. Over time, the brain reorganizes itself around that stimulation. When opioids are absent, those receptors send out distress signals. That's the craving. It's not weakness. It's your brain doing exactly what brains do when they've been conditioned to expect something. Naltrexone works by occupying those same receptors without activating them. When the receptors are blocked, the distress signals quiet. The craving does not disappear overnight, but it loses its grip. The volume turns down. And when that happens consistently, over days and then weeks, the brain begins to recalibrate. The noise that used to feel like an emergency starts to feel like background static. For someone in recovery, this is significant, because when the neurological pull is quieted, the real work of recovery can begin. Building routines, repairing relationships, finding meaning, all become possible in a way it simply was not before. Naltrexone does not do that work, but it clears the path so that work can happen. If this is starting to make sense for someone you know or for yourself, contact us at MindSculptRecovery.com.